Kuldeep Yadav is all set to begin a new chapter in his life. The star spinner will marry his childhood friend Vanshika Singh on March 14 in Muzerai, Uttarakhand. A grand reception is planned in Lucknow on March 17, where family, friends and teammates are expected to join in the celebration. The wedding was originally scheduled for November 2025 but had to be postponed due to the World Cup. Vanshika, who hails from the Kanpur like Kuldeep, is currently employed in Australia. Interestingly, the family's homes in Kanpur are just 3 kilometers apart. Her father, Yogendra Singh Chadda, works with LIC and the bond between the two families goes back many years. Kuldeep has often spoken about his personal life with Honestly 2024 interview. He said, "I won't marry a Bollywood actress. I will marry a girl who can take care of the family. Vanshika is special to me. This relationship is very old." Now that promise is becoming reality as fans celebrate his achievements on the cricket field. They also share in his joy of the field. Kuldeep Yadav wedding marks not just an union of two hearts, also a story of friendship, trust, love.